Hey guys, it's Charlene. I wanted to show you a product that I just recently received called the Stamptabulous. This is not endorsed or they don't even know I exist other than I ordered a Stamptabulous from them. I saw these at an event I was recently at and I thought they were so beautiful that I went on kind of in the middle of the night and ordered one of these, and I actually had an email the next morning that it had shipped. I was so impressed. This is a small shop, and you can go to stamptabulous.ca. They are also on Etsy. They're located in Canada. This product in particular ran $28 US, $35 Canadian plus shipping. So this item, oh my gosh, look at it. It's just beautiful. It is the butterfly with the flower pattern, and I got a clear topper. You can choose your pattern as well as what color topper, and it's just gorgeous. There's other tools out there like the Chucky and the Debbie, and they I understand work great but are just not beautiful like this product. This makes me smile just looking at it. So I have never used a product like this before, so I'm going to go in and test it out with two different stamps. I'm going to do one in black ink, one in color, and see how they turn out. I was a little worried about the wings. They're about 4 inches across, and I wasn't sure how they would work with a stamping platform, but I had no issues at all. So here I'm going in with Simon Says Stamp in Intense Black. Now this butterfly is a Gina K stamp, and I've only used it one other time, and I had trouble with it when I was stamping it just because it was so new. So it's not really conditioned at all. So you go in, you put your stamp down, you run your tool over it. Being that I had never used it before, I wasn't really sure how much pressure or how long you should do it for. In hindsight, I probably could have added a little more pressure there to get an even crisper image, but I was really impressed with that first time stamping with the black. So I'm going to go in now and I'm going to do a color image stamp with another Gina K stamp that I've just used one time. And I'm going to use the Concord and Ninth ink in Aqua. Now, last time I used this ink, I had trouble with it on a stamped image. I couldn't get a really clear image without 2 or 3 stamps. And this tool made this image come out amazing with this ink. I'm just really impressed. You're going to see here when I stamp it and run the tool over it, how beautiful it looks. So, as I mentioned, it's stamptabulous.ca. I highly recommend them. You should check them out. And look at this image one time. Like, if I can get it in focus here. There, look, great. It's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you take a look at them. I think they're a great shop, and I hope you guys have a good night.